guys, so as you can tell, I have a bun, and bun day equals wash day. But I wanted to show you guys how I use Olaplex. And if you have damaged hair, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. If your hair is more on the healthier side, you can use it once a week. I technically don't use it every week, but I thought it would be good to show you guys what I do and how I go about doing it. You're supposed to apply it on wet hair. And if you have a lot of product in your hair, they suggest that you do a light shampoo. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a light shampoo first. That way I can get the product to bond to my hair as much as possible. And I'll be back to show you how I apply it once my hair is wet. Okay guys, so I did a very, very light shampoo. I'm going to have to shampoo it again because it's supposed to be before shampoo. But I wanted to make sure that I got a lot of the product that was in there so that I can get the best results for the Olaplex. I have a jumbo bottle. They don't normally come this large. They're a lot smaller, maybe half the size. But I have a lot of hair, so I use more than the average person. So if you have thin hair, regular hair, I think you can get like 3 to 4 uses out of a bottle. But for me, getting 3 uses is a stretch. So I do have this one and I find it to be helpful. I do try to be a little bit lucrative with it because it is not a lot and it's kind of expensive considering the amount of product that you get, but it works. So I'll stop rambling and show you what I do. So I section off my hair and I do about 3 sections per side. So I'm just gonna brush my hair out, and I like to have my hair combed out because I find that I'm able to work the product in a little bit better. And you're supposed to start at your roots and move down to the ends. So try not to rip your hair out, so I just try to separate it and as little as I can because I really don't want to damage or break the hair. And then I'll just basically speed up me doing it for you to see. Sometimes I have to add a little bit more water so that I'm not breaking up my hair, you know. I think I've been damaged a lot. Okay, so I guess I didn't press record, but anyways, I'm gonna show you. I did the first part. I'm gonna just show you what I do. Not too complicated. I'm just going to split my hair with my fingers, take my little brush and try to make sure I don't have too many knots in there. Then I'm gonna take the product, pour it on my fingers like that. Gonna rub it a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the tip of my fingers and I'm gonna put it in my scalp, or on my scalp. And do that again, because I wanna make sure it's there. And then I'll slide my hands down with the product. And then I actually like to comb the product into my hair. That way I'm making sure that I'm getting all parts of it. So I will literally actually comb my hair. And if I don't see product coming out, I actually add more. And I don't mind being generous with the product. A little bit does go a long way, but I just want to make sure that I am reaching all strands of my hair so that I can get the best results. And then when I'm done, I'm going to twist it. So, like so. Nothing too complicated. And so as you can see, I can squeeze and you can see products coming out, and that's what I go for. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair and come back to you guys. And when I'm done, I'll show you what I do and how long I keep it in. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did all the 6 sections, and then once I had them twisted up, I actually added more product to the ends of everything, and then I actually just roll it in a twist like that, and I put on a clear shower cap, and I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. As long as you do it before 10 minutes, that's what they tell you the minimum amount of time is. If you do longer, they said it really doesn't make any difference. So I just do 15 to 20 just because I'm like, maybe that will give me more than the 10. But you could do it for an hour, you can leave it overnight, but it really won't make a difference if you leave it on overnight versus like an hour. So I will be back and y'all will see what it's starting to look like. Okay guys, so I'm back. After waiting, this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just basically gonna do a normal wash day. Just go ahead and wash, you know, do a light shampoo, condition, go ahead and style my hair, and I will come back and show you what it looks like after I'm completely done with the process. Alright guys, so I am back. This is what my hair looks like. It is not completely dry, but I still want you guys to see that I feel like that Olaplex really helps it become healthy. And if you do have damaged hair or you want to improve your hair, I highly recommend you go ahead and add that product to your hair care list. I was on the camera and now I'm mute and I'm in class right now. So anyways, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will link all products in my like to know it link. Please follow me if you want updates on my outfits and clothes. Thank you guys again for watching. Love you.